Ride the lightning.
I got my laptop over here, but I can't really see the comments behind my wall of white lightning, so we're just going to go ahead and tear into them and get this party started. I love the premise behind this and really enjoy these things. I've already smashed one. Let's go for 13, eh? Super good. If y'all haven't done this and y'all have this challenge available to you, y'all go ahead and grab it. Amazing flavor. Amazing flavor. One. You want to help me count? The heat on them for like the average chili head, it's not going to be like the Tuba Terra or something like that. It's only going to get you to like a 3 or 4. But guys, the premise behind this deal is where it's at. You know, like Jeff was saying a minute ago, for each box, that's 50 meals, guys. Hey, I see Dave Doran's comment there. Congratulations to Dave Doran. He got his Rummy Bears up there in the League of Fire. Amazing. Awesome feat, Dave. So I can see the comments with Jeff clicks on there. Here's 2. Still sitting at a comfortable 3. The only time I worry about with doing the chocolate challenges is they hit your stomach really fast. So my meal prep today was some potatoes with butter and sour cream, and also a glass of pickle juice. 3. I told all my friends I was going on at 1 o'clock Central Standard, but that's alright. It's all about the cause. Shout out to Nuke for putting on this amazing chili festival. Such a epic event. Starting on Australia, going over to Europe, then over to US and Canada. Amazing. The flavor on these is amazing. Jeff, I see your comment there. No, 3. Also got some more stuff in the mail. I'll reach over here and grab it here in a second. Had a great chili meal there. I had some stuff from Brian over at Willie Pete's. Also got these come in from Fuego Box. And it was really hard deciding which challenge to do. I'm going to show y'all what I got from them here in a second. Thank you, Vicky. Enjoyed watching the wrap up there shortly ago. You and Alex. A little bit of sweat on the forehead. Nothing too bad. A little bit nervous. So, got these fun guys in the mail today. Thank you to Brian for getting those over to me. What number is this? 5. I can't wait to see what Johnny has up his sleeve here shortly. He goes on here shortly. Another couple great vendors behind me. It's gonna be an awesome event, guys. Smashing them. Nose running a hair, but nothing too terrible. It's nothing going to be like that Nemesis bar. I'm kind of worried about that one. I was talking to the Atomic Menace one day, and he said that he's seen people not be able to finish the Nemesis that have smashed the Tube of Terror. Now I've got 3 Tubes of Terror under my belt, which I want to do more. Those are amazing. And I can't wait for Johnny to release the 2.0 version. Thank you, Adele. Much love over there across the pond. You must be insane to consume this pain. Oh, I am. It fits the bill. What number are we up to?
2, 4, 6, that's 7.
This is number 7, guys. Number 7. I was opening with these with a knife, but quite honestly, it's a lot simpler with your fingers here. Ah, there's the wee Dafty. The Scott's Bonnet. I watched him yesterday play with his... It was the day before yesterday. And play with his bears. My kids and I were watching him play with his bears while my wife was in the doctor's appointment for our little one. She had her two-week checkup. And then there was 6. Still sitting at about a 4. Got a good burn going. Great burn. There we go. It's kind of odd just sitting here talking to yourself. Oh, and also...
Okay, Elf, I'm here too. Just watching you in the background.
I ordered... I have a stalker. I ordered a couple packs of Rummy Bears from Dave. I can't wait to get those in. Those shipped actually yesterday. Dave got those to me. So, they'll be across the pond here in a minute. It's a lot of chocolate. So what do y'all think the Atomic Menace and Johnny Scoville have up their sleeve today? I'm curious. I'm gonna stick around and watch them. What number is this? Be 8?
9.
9. There's Kaylee. Thank you, Kaylee. Burning with you, Farmer J. Tinking my tea. Oh, anybody knows me, I love a good tincture. I drank a bottle yesterday on Tink Slam. Getting ready. This one's a little bit melted, guys. 1 second. Get this paper off. It was 91 degrees today here in sunny Arkansas. And so, like I said, the shipment just came in. So they're just a tad melted. Then there was 3. Need some music or something, huh?
Probably.
Sorry, guys, I'm a little boring. Nose run still just a hair. Still at a comfortable 4. Solid burn. It doesn't really increase when you do multiple boxes on these. You got a little bit of sweat up here. I guess pure amount of chili that I'm consuming. A marriage between good and evil. The Choco Challenge is for the pain-seeking misogynist who wants to join the fight to end hunger. Amazing. All right, number 12. I believe I get bonus points for this one, if I'm not mistaken.
I think so.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's like bonus points on number 6 and 12, if I'm not mistaken.
I think it's 4, 8, and 12.
4, 8, 12.
I think so.
I don't remember. It's not what we're doing. Worried about here right now. We're about feeding the hunger and putting on a great chili fest. You can see all the little pieces of chili in there. Luciano. Then there was one. Dun dun dun. Build my. Got my tower over here. All right, number 13. End world hunger. Like Johnny always says, if it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. There it is. 13 White Lightning, guys. What a great cause. Amazing cause.
Definitely. Definitely. Well done there, Jared. You did 13 of them. While I'm here, I'd probably remind you a little bit about this thing right here. I'm just going to read off some of the facts that go off of the White Lightning box that Jared just did. My camera's way off right there.